Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. So guys, when you have login your Snapchat account and facing this type of issue, that is due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings first. And guys, after this you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. If you not, you have to connect it first, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have connected with 4G or 5G network. And guys, after this you have to click on general and scroll it down, click on VPN and device management. So guys, main problem of this error is VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. Maybe there is network problem, you have to reset your network settings. And guys, after doing this you have to go back, check your date and time, make sure that date and time set on automatically. And guys, check your language and region, make sure that you have selected your own region according to your country. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, check your software update. If you have any kind of update here, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these settings, you need to open your Snapchat account again and log in again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, just you have to open an internet browser. And guys, after opening your browser, here you need to search Snapchat support. So guys, when you have searched this, you have to open your Snapchat support website. So guys, after this you have to scroll it down, click on contact us, and guys, click on contact us. After this you have to click on I think my account was compromised, and you need to wait for some seconds and scroll it below. Here you need to write your username of your Snapchat account. So guys, after this here you need to write your email address. So guys, for example, my email is this. And guys, after this you have to write here your phone number. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you are facing again and again. So guys, simply write here that problem and click on submit. And guys, after submitting your problem, within few minutes they will review your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.